Hi, my name is Joel Massey, and I am the owner of NexGen Roofing. We're located in the Denver Tech Center in the heart of Denver, Colorado. We do commercial and residential roofing, and we've been doing this since 2014. With our training program, we realize that utilize a lot of manpower, time, and effort to train our new recruits. In order to do so effectively, we decided to hire Avance Learning Solutions to create an online training program for us so that before our new employees can step into the office, they can have a whole NexGen university to learn everything that they needed to learn before they started in their first day. The benefits of e-learning helps us as business owners to better manage our employees, to limit costs and expenses of hiring manpower to specifically train employees inside a classroom. It takes countless hours through the day to train new recruits in a classroom setting, when e-learning is available at any time of the day, online, and from the comfort of your own home. We can also provide them any support and needed training in the future that they can refer back to if they have any questions, so they're not constantly asking the same questions over and over again. With this training, we're able to provide our new sales recruits the success they need to do the best possible job they can and have the most information available as possible.